Okay, myself, Chairman, sir. Harita Madam, JNTUK nominee, Aditya Sahu, Dr. Deepak, Ram Krishna Rao, Software Development Project Manager, Karikapati Lahari, Software Engineer, Open Text Hyderabad, and my colleague faculty members, all welcome to this Board of Studies meeting. Okay, the agenda of this meeting is I will give the introduction for the course structure and the second year first semester and the second year second semester and the approval of syllabus for the second year. Vote of thanks by P. Josna Kumari. Course structure and syllabus was prepared. Mainly we are prepared the second year CSE first sem and second sem course structure with reference to the revised engineering curriculum of BTech regular from APSCH and common academic regulation R20 for all autonomous colleges of JNTUK. Most of the syllabus is from as per the guidelines given by the academic council members. Because you are the first time going to the autonomous, most probably follow the R20 regulation of JNTUK. As per R20 regulation of JNTUK, with reference to that, we have prepared all the course structure and syllabus. This is the R21 regulation, RM21 regulation, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. As per the APSCH guidelines, they are given instructions that prepare the syllabus like this. The one subject is basic science, and 4 are the professional course subjects, 3 are the labs, and skill-oriented course and mandatory course. Okay, in second year first semester, we are included. These are the subjects. Transform techniques. This is the mathematics subjects. This is the in first BOS only. All mathematics subjects are finalized. Okay, that was included. In professional subjects, object-oriented programming through C++, operating system, software engineering, MFCS subjects are included for CSC branch. Because under CSC allied branches, Java programming is there, object-oriented programming through Java. But in CSC, in second semester, Java programming and Java programming lab is there. In that one, object-oriented concepts also will cover. Here, mainly, we are concentrating on object-oriented programming through C++. The same is followed in CSC for JNTUK syllabus for R20 regulation also. These are the second year first semester subjects. For second year fourth semester, these are the subjects given by the guidelines: engineering science course, basic science or professional core course, professional core course, professional courses, humanities and science. As per the above instructions and referring to the R20 regulation of the JNTUK, these are the subjects for second year second semester. Probability and statistics. This is the and MF, managerial economics and financial accountancy. These 2 are the other department subjects. Our core subjects are database management system, formal languages and automata theory, Java programming. These labs are included, R programming lab and Java programming lab. In second year, we mainly the skill-oriented courses, we are doing pandas in Python. In this one, in second semester, it is the NumPy. We are dealing skill-oriented course on NumPy. In this module, we will go through all the details and only practicals is there, 2 credits. Okay, in Python programming, in first sem, we will go through the module NumPy. And in second sem, we will go through the skill connection to that one only. In number of other skill-oriented courses is also there in the Adobe Photoshop and the animation like that. But both of them are connected. After NumPy, we will deal the skill-oriented course, pandas. In mandatory course, we have included essence of Indian tradition knowledge. In JNTUK 20, it is the Constitution of India is there, but we are changed from essence of Indian traditional knowledge because Constitution of India is included in the first year, first sem 1. Now, R21 UG syllabus. We will go through the subjects syllabus of RM21. transformation techniques. M2 subject. This subject is finalized by the mathematics department in previous BOS only. Object-oriented programming through C++. In object-oriented programming through C++, these are the topics. In first unit, introduction to C++. In second unit, one second.
సార్ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ అవ్వట్లేదు సార్.
Okay, share చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు షేర్ అవుతుందా సార్ స్క్రీన్?
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే సార్, ఇప్పుడు ఓకే.
In object-oriented programming through C++, these are the course objectives, and for every subject we are included course objectives and course outcomes. In first unit, introduction to C++, second unit is about classes and objects, and the third unit, polymorphism. It includes operator overloading and method overloading process, pointers and binding polymorphism, virtual functions. All of them are in fourth unit. Last unit is generic programming, STL programming, and vectors, lists and maps are in fifth unit. This is object-oriented programming subject. Next, operating system subject. In operating system, these are the topics. Operating system overview. Most probably only 10 to 20% of the change is there in the syllabus. Operating system introduction, process concept, and various dining philosophers problem, readers writers problem. All these are in the second unit. The third unit is concerned with memory management technique, demand pricing, copy on write page, and fourth unit is about deadlocks, the reasons for recovery of deadlock. We have a deadlock avoidance and deadlock prevention schemas, and the file system. These are in fourth unit. Fifth unit, system protection and system security. We have changed in fifth unit. In JNTUK, some extra topics is there related to security, but we are changed it to SSL certificate. In this one, we will lecture the students how SSL certificates will be generated, how SSL certificates will be used in the website, how HTTP website can be changed to HTTPS website, and we will give some message digest algorithms, MD5 algorithm, like that. Software engineering, the nature of the software, agility of the cost of change in second unit, requirement analysis, UML model, requirement models for web apps in unit 3. Unit 4, design within the context of software engineering, the design process, design concept. It deals with the design concept, the golden rules of the software engineering, and how user interface will be designed, how white box testing will be performed, and how path testing will be performed are in this unit. Mathematical foundation in computer science. This subject is not included in other CS allied branches, but it is in CSE branch. Mathematical logic, the set theory. These are finalized by the mathematics department on the MFCS syllabus also. Reference relations, graph theory, object-oriented programming through C++ lab. All the experiments is their exercise 1. All the related object-oriented programming only. In previous year, they have learned in first sem C programming, in second sem Python programming. Now the extension to C. Now they will study only object-oriented concept, inheritance, polymorphism, overloading. All the programs are related to in C++ only, mainly concentrated on object-oriented. Operator overloading, inheritance, various types of inheritance, single hierarchical, multiple, multi-level, and hybrid inheritance, exception handling. These are the programs for object-oriented programming. Operating system lab. In OS, we will do in Unix environment.
Srinivas garu, screen not visible and
Okay, sir.
Sir, for me it's okay, sir. It is visible, sir. You are another shell, Linux shell program.
Okay, is it screen visible, madam?
For me, it is visible, sir.
Okay, okay, madam. Unix and Linux general purpose utility commands. Right, these operating system lab, all the programs we will done on Unix environment. In our college, for Unix, the previous software Jorin is installed. In that Jorin, it is also Linux flavor software. In that Jorin, we will do all these programs. Software engineering lab, we will use a star UML for designing all these use case diagrams and sequence diagram, all the diagrams related in software engineering. Course registration system, these are the programs for software engineering lab. Applications of Python, NumPy. This is the skill oriented course one. Perform these are all the operations on the NumPy, how data can be represented in two-dimensional form, in three-dimensional form, how a graph can be generated from the available bulk of data, how this data, weather data is processed, how these vehicle recognition system can be implemented in NumPy, barcode can be processed, all these are included in this NumPy module. Essence of Indian traditional knowledge. This is the mandatory course. As per the guidelines of APSCHU, we are included this course also. These are the course outcomes. Introduction to traditional knowledge, protection of traditional knowledge, legal framework and the TK. We are using the TK here, traditional knowledge and intellectual property, traditional knowledge in different ways. These are the prescribed textbooks. This is about first year, first semester subjects. Madam, is there any suggestions, madam, in first year, first subjects? Madam, is there any suggestions to change corrections? Or is it okay, madam?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, madam. Now we will go to the second year, second semester subjects. These are the second year, second semester subjects. Extension to the Python NumPy module. In this skill-oriented course, we are included Pandas module and basic science subjects.
Sir, only 2 semesters, sir.
Yes, madam.
Okay, okay, sir.
Now, in this meeting, we will analyze the second year only, madam. Second year, first semester and second semester. Probability and statistics, database management system, formal languages and automata theory, Java programming, MEFA, database. The lab subjects are R programming lab, Java programming lab, MEFA. Probability and statistics subject. This is the max background subject. All the syllabus are reviewed in max department people. Database management system. This is the one of the core subject in computer science engineering branch. Okay, introduction. In this one, we will give the introduction to database management system. What are the various types of databases? SQL database, NoSQL database, MySQL, like this. Here in this one, introduction. Next, relational model. How in relational database, what are the existing relational databases? What are how it can be implemented using constraints? What is the SQL? What is the structured query language? Various SQL related functions and basic operations on database. This is in second unit. Entity ER model, entity relationship model is the third unit. Fourth unit about BCNF, all the normal forms, first normal form, second, how a big, large table can be splitted into the basing on the first normal form condition, second normal form, third normal form rules. This unit is entirely about normal forms. Here also we will do not only in syllabus, in extra activities also we will do by collecting the already previously they are done in NumPy module. They are taking the bulk of data from the NumPy module and apply these techniques in first normal form split up, second normal form split up, third normal form on those tables. Transaction concept, how the transaction is done, how synchronous is maintained between the two transactions, and indexing techniques, how indexing techniques are implemented. All these are in 5th unit. Second year, second semester, formal languages and automata theory. First unit is concerned with introduction to DFA and NFA and the basic concept, how DFA is converted into the NFA, and minimization of finite automata, and what is the meal emission and more emission, and the limitations of and applications of finite automata theory. It is in first unit. Next, second unit is about regular expressions. If possible, in Unix also, we will implement these regular expressions. The regular expressions, sets and set theory. What is the left and right grammars, equivalence between regular grammar and finite automata. Number of examples we will cover, how finite automata is converted into regular grammar and the regular grammar is converted into finite automata. Next, third unit is about context-free grammars, leftmost and rightmost derivations, how the epsilon productions, unit productions is there, how to remove useless symbols from the grammar, unit productions from the grammar, and epsilon productions from the grammar. Here also pumping lemma, closure properties, applications of context-free grammars, all of them are in unit 3. Unit 4, push-down automata, how push-down automata machine is designed, what is the applications of the push-down automata, and deterministic and non-deterministic push-down automata, how one push-down automata is converted into the Turing machine, like this. Previously, conversions, one machine is converted into how push-down automata, all these covered in this unit. Next unit is Turing machine. In this one, conversion of PDA to Turing machine to push-down automata. Interconversion is there. What is the Turing machine? How Turing machine can be described in terms of instantaneous? What is the universal and restricted Turing machines? What is the undecidable problem? And the post correspondence problem. What is the halting problem for Turing machine? All these topics are in this 5th unit. Next, Java programming. Till now, they have gone through the C, C++, and Python program. In second year, first time they are in second year, second semester, we are introduced to Java programming. Here directly, previously, they are know about object-oriented programming concepts in C++. Here also in Java programming also they will do the same programs, object-oriented program concepts using Java, and they will learn basics of Java, data types, and operate. What is the basics of Java? What are the various data types available in Java? What is the printf statement? What are the various operators used in Java? What is the main difference between C++ and Java? They will learn in unit 1. Second unit is about classes and objects. It is related to object-oriented programming concept only. But in Java, they will implement all these concepts. Third unit, declaration and initialization of arrays in Java, how arrays are used, declared, how it can be initialized, how these can be accessed, how two-dimensional, how the programs will be implemented in two-dimensional arrays and three-dimensional arrays. What are the various operations performed on arrays? Next, inheritance. This is the concept, object-oriented programming concept, how inheritance can be implemented in Java. Interfaces. Interfaces are the basics. How interface can be declared? What is the interface? What are the, if a class, is it possible to create objects to the interface or not? What are the multiple interfaces, nested interfaces? What are the static methods? What are the difference between the normal method and static method? All these concepts they will learn in third unit. Fourth unit, packages in Java. Java, all the programming concepts are in terms of packages only, predefined packages. How these packages can be constructed, how custom package will be constructed, how one package can be imported in the Java program, how those type of settings will do in fourth unit. Fourth unit also, exception handling is there. It is very, very important concept, exception handling. How exceptions are handled when division by zero occurred, what the program will be, what it can be do, how it can be catched, various types of exceptions, division by zero, okay, unaware syntax mistakes, how these can be checked in exception handling. Fifth unit is, and last unit is about string handling in Java and multi-thread programming and the database connectivity in Java. These are the three concepts, how strings are processed in Java, what is the multi-threaded programming, and Java database connectivity. This is the MEFA subject. It can be reviewed in BOS meeting of MBA department. Database management system lab. According to the theory requirements, we have formatted by referring the R20 JNTU guidelines. We have prepared these lab experiments. R programming lab. This is the R programming lab. Write a R program to take input from the. These are the, but theory is not there. Only lab is there. In out of 3 hours, we will give 1 hour for explanation how to do the program, what is the basic. 2 hours for writing the programming lab. Okay, these are the R program. Java programming lab. Okay, using by basic Java programs and object-oriented concept. In our third exercise is about the classes and objects and methods. Inheritance, object-oriented. Mainly, we are focusing on the object-oriented concepts in Java program. Applications of Python. This is the extension to the NumPy. This is a in previous time they are learned NumPy, how data can be handled with the NumPy. Another way of handling bulk of data is using pandas. How they will work with the pandas and two-dimensional array, three-dimensional array, or multi-dimensional data. How they can process. These are the programs in pandas. Okay, this is the course structure and syllabus for RM21. Madam, any questions, madam?
No, sir.
All the members, is there any questions? Ramakrishna,
No, sir.
Venkat. No, madam, please address our staff, madam, Harita madam.
Even, sir. Okay.
Now I request our staff member, Josna Kumari, please give vote of thanks for this BOS meeting. All of them, please switch on your videos.
A very good morning to one and all, especially Dr. D. Harita ma'am, University nominee for this BOS Thank you so much for your valuable suggestions for this academic second year BOS virtual meeting, ma'am. Basing on your guidelines, we successfully completed first year and we are conducting this second year. Thank you so much for your suggestions. And another one, Dr. Aditya Sahu, sir, Associate Professor, Vignan University, Vadimudi, and Dr. Deepak Nedunuri, sir, for their participation in this BOS. Thank you so much for your participation, sir. And Konda Ramakrishna, sir, Project Manager, Software Development. He is a industry nominee for this BOS. And Garikpat Lahari, she is a alumni for this BOS. Thank you, one and all, especially on behalf of our CSE department, all the faculty members who are participating, especially our principal, Sir Dr. Y. Edukon, sir. Thank you all for participating in this BOS. Thank you so much.
Okay, madam. Sir, Deepak sir, is there any questions, sir? How are you, sir?
Fine, sir. Fine, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Okay, madam. I am ending up this session. After preparing the minutes of the meeting, I will meet you in JNTK, madam. Thank you. Thank you to all for your participation. Thank you.